Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to hide your Windows 11 settings home page. In this video we will learn this guys. So for this guys, I'm not going to use any third party extra software tool. So just follow this easy and simple trick. So to do this guys, press Windows key button and here you need to search edit group policy. Like this you need to search and open it. Okay, and then guys, here in the left panel you need to extend computer configuration, and in the computer configuration you need to extend administrative templates like this and select control panel from here, and in the right panel here you can get the option settings page visibility. Just double click and open it like this. By default the option is set to not configured. Just you need to select enabled option from here, and in the setting page visibility you need to type one command, hide colon home, same as it is you need to type, and then click on apply and OK. After doing this guys, you can close this edit group policy, and then you need to restart your PC one time compulsory. After restarting it will apply the changes on your PC. So when you restart your PC and then open your Windows settings, now it will hide the settings home page. Okay, so with this help of method you can easily able to hide your settings home page. Okay, so that's it for today guys, the short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.